Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. We're going back to a classic video. We're going to talk about CYBL. I know I haven't made a video on CYBL in a while. I've been taking advantage of the quantum computing AI hype and, of course, making videos on that. But I have not forgotten you guys. I have not forgotten the people that have been with me from the beginning when I started making videos on CYBL, AITX, and ILIS. I have not forgotten. So, I'm here to talk about the fact that the new year, it's right around the corner. I'm loaded up with 10K. I'm sitting pretty on the position. 3 days from now, it'll be the new year. It's sitting at the bottom. Going into the new year, everything's quiet. Well, except for the quantum and the AI stocks. But these two penny stocks, they sit quietly. And then they get an explosion, usually towards the end of the month and mid-February. So if you're not loaded up right now, you still have an opportunity to add when no one wants it. And then when it pumps again, you take profit, rinse, and repeat. You have to be patient with the penny stocks. You have to sit on them until the volume comes in. So the buy target, not the buy target, the buy zone is down here between 005s and 007 in that zone. Sell target, the first sell target for me is 00. Let me grab my horizontal line tool. First sell target is at 009. Second sell target 008, and the big one, of course, is going to be 12. Oh wait, no, not 12. Is it 12? Yeah, we've touched 12 here and here. Like, that's where we really got pushed down on those two wicks. The devil's wicks, as I like to call them. If we break out, if we can break one penny, we're going to 12. So there's at least, from this level right now, there's almost a 100% potential in return. Not quite 100%, but almost 100%. You can wait a little longer if see if you can get in cheaper at 005s. But in the meantime, my prediction is for the next couple of weeks, we're just going to go sideways here. You know, it's the holidays. People are relaxing. I imagine some of the Discords are dead. I know the AITX Discord is dead, or maybe they're disconnected. I don't know. It looked like they were dead. So everything's quiet right now. And this is when you want to buy. And this is your alert. This is like your last chance to get in before it starts pumping again. I'm looking at the weekly chart here. The MACD crossover is something I would look for. If we can get close to crossing over the MACD, that indicates a potential pump incoming. So that's something to look out for. Other than that, we know what's underway for this stock. They've been more transparent than ILIS. ILIS is dead in the water for me. I deleted it from my watch list. It's over. It's garbage. Doesn't communicate. It's a whole matzo ball. There are better stocks out there right now, superior to ILIS, and CYBL is one of them. Communication is king, and CYBL knows how to bring it after coming back from the dead from that CE designation. They're probably not going to release PRs because they did mention that they're kind of afraid of getting slapped with another CE. So I imagine most of the news will come through Twitter because they don't want to get slapped with another CE due to paid promotion or whatever. So that's just something to keep in mind. Moving forward is you have to be following them on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call them, if you want to get your information up to date on that company, or go to their website, either or. We know they have a lot of contracts in the pipeline, a lot in the works. I always tell you guys, buy when no one wants it. And we're here. And if you guys recall, not too long ago, everyone was calling me a moron, telling me it's going to go to 2 cents and above, to the moon, $1, woo! Woo, 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 and, woo, woo, woo. Came on down nice and cheap. Don't make that mistake again. Hopefully you learn from that. Those of you who are experienced enough, you know how it is. Buy when no one wants it. It runs. We take profit. Rinse and repeat. You got your sell targets. The stop loss. At this point, the stop loss would be CE. Like this, think about this for a second. The only time this has ever dropped drastically was the CE. Other than that, it just held the bottom at 1 penny back then. It dropped below 1 penny because of the invasion of Ukraine. Then it immediately got bought up. So take that as you will. That's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. Hopefully everyone's having a great holiday. I'll see you next year.